Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Okay, so when you're trying to figure out a house, you want to know how much drywall. This is how I do it, and there's going to be tons of people that do it differently. You take the square footage, which in this case is like 4,500. Actually, it's 4,400. All right. So 4,400 times 3 equals 132,000. Now, if you're going to hang it with 12-foot sheets, 4 by 8, 4 by 12 is 4 by 8 is 32. Like and a 4 by 12 is 48. So you take and you divide that 13,200 divided by 48, and that'd be 12 sheets. You need 275. 275, and I usually add 10%. That way you don't have to call them out twice or have to go get it. You'd rather have too much than too little. So just say it'd be 300 sheets. Okay? 300 sheets. Now, Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.